When a man walks into court claiming he can fix everything with an inheritance check and a late tax refund, the judge's reaction: absolutely priceless. This is the bizarre case of A.C. Daniel, where probation violations, restitution deals, and a supposed $4,500 payday collide in one tense courtroom showdown.
Come on up, sir. All right, 23 CR 2067, 24 CR 792, 24 CR 2247. All calls to the state of Texas versus A.C. Daniel Barn. It's like we have. Yeah, we have to revoke probation in 2 cases.
We do, and there is a restitution attached to those probation orders. And then in a new case that is filed in this court, there is restitution attached to that as well. So I think what I'm looking at is some sort of agreement that might package both of those together. But this is, I believe, the first setting on this case, and I don't think they have all the discovery that they need.
It's 4 months old.
I believe this finality was not appointed until.
Yeah, I'm looks like, well, the attorney represented, looks like as of April 14th was, she was listed, so it might have been 4 or 5.
And then we were
All right.
down for a few weeks.
All right, yeah.
But I am in conversation with the client about potential resolution. If it is going to be some sort of a package deal, since there is a large amount of restitution involved in all of the cases, then that is something that we would definitely want to exhaust.
Reportedly has some sort of windfall of money that he might be able to apply towards restitution.
Okay, I'm looking at 0 restitution in one clause number, the earliest one. Then the second one, it's restitution $1,200, and then I don't know what the new indictment is going to.
The new indictment is for a commercial paint sprayer that was valued at about $3,200. However, the victim had other items that they had submitted in their restitution request, a little under $10,000. So we would probably need to sort that out as well, or we could.
Okay, so it's like legal possession of controlled substances alleged out of Hardin County, failing to report here in Jefferson County, illegally possessing methamphetamines in Jefferson County, October 6th. Was that a drug screen from the probation office or something different? Was that a drug screen that was done by the probation office October 6th of 2024?
Yes.
That no, not
I've
right
never
now.
taken these drugs.
Not right now. Just a moment. Don't interrupt. You're going to get a fair.
I'm positive.
See, you're doing it again. Just she's got to take everything down. The probation, the court reporter. When we speak over anything, I'm not scolding you. When we speak over each other, she can't do her job. And the Supreme Court of Texas and the Court of Criminal Appeals, the highest courts, have said if somebody prevents her from doing that because they need a transcript of proceedings whenever it's before them, and if they fail to get the information because people were speaking over, everybody gets in trouble, and they're the people you don't want to get their attention. So I'll talk. If you want to speak, you'll be able to speak, but only one at a time, and we got to not speak over each other. So you've got in allegation 1 in each case, illegal possession of controlled substance, Hardin County. Number 2, failing to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office. 3, it looks like illegally possessing methamphetamine on October 6th, and that must have been a drug test that was done at the probation office.
Actually, no.
No, that wasn't it. Okay, what was it? It was
That is something that arises out of allegation number 1 of his possession from Hardin County.
okay. It's a Hardin County.
It's,
matter.
it's
But
a violation.
Jefferson County.
I think that it's a violation of 2 of the different probation conditions.
Okay.
Does that make sense, Judge?
Well, let's see. Condition 1 is going to be committing a substantive crime,
And then
and
condition
condition
10.
10 is don't use drugs illegally
So I think that 1 is counted
without
for.
a prescription.
Yes.
Yeah, you get hit twice
Yes.
for the same event.
Yes.
4, you fail to provide verification of performing community service hours. And 5, failing to pay courses, fees, and stuff. Okay, so it looks like you have 1, 2, 3 non-substantive type offenses, violations. The others are program-related issues that are not substantive crimes, but any violation of probation is enough to get you revoked. And so what are we going to do?
Judge, he has expressed to me that he has come into some type of settlement money that would help with the restitution that is owed in the underlying motion to revoke probation cases. He has also expressed to me that he wishes to be enrolled in some type of halfway house so that he can get his mental health back on track, access his disability, and then make payments towards that restitution for the 2 underlying NTRP offenses, and then potentially the new theft case that he has.
So it must be nice to be able to make your own decisions on this, and you have free will, but your own decisions really are, you're either going to agree to something here without a hearing, or we're going to have a hearing. We're going to have a hearing before me. And this is going to be done as soon as everybody can be ready.
Sure.
But those are your 2 choices. Then on this trial, this case, you certainly have a trial that you can proceed with, but the way this is indicted with these prior convictions,
Be 3rd degree.
it's still, yeah, because they're state jail felonies. Yeah, you're still looking at a state jail felony, but it's punished as though it was a 3rd degree felony. So the state jail felony becomes up to 10 years in prison. And you would not be eligible for probation in front of a jury. That got that working against you right now with this other stuff. When can we have this hearing? Because I'm not going to wait on y'all. We're going to we're moving forward on all of this. Yeah, every case I've got, we're moving forward. And can we be ready?
I gave them the remaining discovery that they would need while we were here in this hearing. If they will have the amount of money that he would be able to put up front, we could do this in a week and know for sure whether it's disposed of or here.
Yeah, can we be ready for a hearing in a week?
Sure.
All right, that's what we're going to do. And this thing about money, until I see it
Sure.
actually in a economy, everybody talks about like they can get money.
Right.
Everybody.
And that,
And until
yeah,
I see it in a tangible form, it's just talk. And
whatever
that wastes
they
our time.
want to bring to the table, it's going to have to be some form of upfront money if it's going to mean anything.
How is that? Did you win the lottery, or is it
No,
some
bro.
kind of a?
I have my father passed
Inheritance.
away, and it's an inheritance part, and then also for $4,500 for my income tax return. It's already been sent to H&R Block and sent back. I just sent Form 2848 to the IRS to try to have it sent to the jail. I mailed it out on Tuesday of this last week. That's when I found out that it had already sent back to the IRS.
So what is it again?
Income tax and then money from my father passing away.
Aren't you supposed to file by April 15th?
I don't say it's.
I
I think it's a
I
lot.
had
Like all of
filed,
us.
but I was out. This was from 22 and 23 when I was incarcerated. It was a late income tax file.
Who's doing your taxes?
H&R Block.
Oh, where?
It was in Vider. The Vider offices had been
Have
prior
you done them in the
closed.
past?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they have a history with you?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
So
Anyway,
filed the 2848, which is a IRS power of attorney to let it be sent to the jail.
But next
That's
week we're going
43.
to have it. It gives you a week to try to work something out, or
I understand.
I'll go forward on what we can do. But I'd like to give you a fair amount of time to try to fix all the mess so you can move on with your life and start
Greatly appreciate it.
again and get this behind you.
So,
But every case has consequences to it, you know,
I understand.
and some are more serious consequences than others, but they're all serious matters that we'll deal with. So you were convicted on these two.
Yes.
He's
they were
on regular
convicted.
probation.
That's correct.
We can't undo that, but you can work with it within those parameters that you have that try to take care of this in a form of justice and also in your best interest. But work with her; she's a smart lady, and we'll reset for a week, and hopefully it'll move one way or the other next week. I'll do it, or y'all can tell me what you want to do.
Okay, thank
And
you.
I'll try to comply with it. Okay, thank you. So that's reset on Mr. Barnes. I have Devontae Huff, please, in two cases. Devontae Huff.
Next week, this judge expects proof, not promises. Will AC Daniels' mysterious inheritance money actually show up, or will his freedom disappear instead? You won't believe how this story ends, so make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the bell, because K-Strip has more real courtroom drama coming your way every day.